Hi, Year 3. Today for maths, you're going to come onto your maths learning page. We're doing some more place value today. You're going to click on your 4 times table quiz. Then you're going to come and watch a quick lesson with numbers to 1,000. Now, any of the worksheets in there, don't worry about that. We're going to be doing our own activity at the bottom, but you can still do the thinking for the questions. The next thing you have is a link. You can see because it's underlined, and when you click on that, it will take you to this website where there are a whole bunch of 4 times tables activities for you to choose from. First ones are a bit easier because they go in order, and you've got to drag and match the right answers. This one is a bit more of a mash-up, so it's going to be a little bit more challenging. So if you're feeling confident, have a go at that one. Keep choosing the right answers. I think this is a quiz in here too. And down here you've got a matching, like a memory activity where you can match the cards that go together. So lots for you to choose from there on that activity. Down here, we've got a card game today. So after you finish that activity, you can even save it for the end, you're going to need a piece of white paper. And you are going to fold it into thirds. Now, the way I like to fold thirds is when you fold the first bit over, you can see that this bit and this are equal. So that's a good way to make sure you've got thirds. Then you can open up and fold the last third in. So your paper will then be folded into thirds. And with that thirds, this first column is for flip, the next column is for draw, and the last column is for expand. You will need some cards for this activity. So I've got my trusty UNO cards back out. I don't think they've been any more thoroughly shuffled, but we'll have a check. So you might like to get a ruler for this and draw some lines going across. I should have thought to get my ruler out, but I didn't. So here's my first row I'm going to write on. I need to turn 5 cards over. 4, you can start with 4. 4 cards over. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So when I hold my cards up, this is the number that I have made. 9, 6, 4, 3. 9, 6, 4, 3. So in my first column, I'm going to write 9, 6, 4, 3 because they're the cards I turned over. Which is 9,643. The next box is for drawing, so I need to draw. 9 cubes, I'll need to draw them small. That's a hard one. That's probably the hardest one because then I'll go up a place value. So I've got to draw 9 cubes because they are my thousands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there I've got 9,000. I need 600. They're the flats. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I need 4 tens and 3 little ones on the end. I've done a very quick go. If you've got a little bit more time, you can probably do a better job, but there's my sketch. So I've got 9,600s, 4 tens and 3. And then I need to expand it. So I'm going to do 9,000 plus 600 plus 40 plus 3. So you can see I've got flip, draw, expand. So you will need some cards to do that. You might just have some cards that you've made, like these ones. You might have some cards that you just play Go Fish or normal cards with. You might like to grab your UNO pack like I did and just use my UNOs. Now I'm going to put them to the bottom and choose some different ones. If you get to a wild, you can choose what or skip. You might choose what that one is, or you can just put it to the bottom and keep going until you get some number cards. So my next number would be 5, 5. That'd be a good hand if I was playing UNO. My goodness. I'd be feeling like I was going to do very well. So 5, 5, 3, 2 would be my next number. I'm going to write down the cards, flip what I flipped, draw the picture to go with it, and then expand it. Have a go and see how you go with yours. When you're finished, you can take a photo and share it with me. You could even do this. Could you do this? Just trying to think. No, you probably need to. So you can do this. Take a photo and send it to me when you're finished. And then down the bottom here, you can see Fast Finish, you've got Study Ladder and some Prodigy. I might just put our class link in there as well, because if you put in the number for our Prodigy, our class Prodigy, where is it up the top? If you put the number in, there we go, this code, that will take you to our Prodigy account and I can see all the answers that you're doing and the points that you're getting. But great job on your maths. Place value matters where you put a number. If you put it in the wrong column, it means something else. And don't forget zero, the hero. Actually, you might even like to use your skips or your wilds for zeros. That could be a good thing to do as well. Happy learning today. Remember, with your worksheet, we've got flip, draw, expand. Can't wait to see your work. Great job.